Okay, so we'll be solving this 1.1 term 2 maths paper 2025-2026 MYP3. Let's see, in the 1.1 question it says identify the correct volume of the given shape. If you see this shape, this is a cone, right? And in cone we have this as the radius, and this is height, and this is slant height. Okay, L is the slant height. This is known as the height and this is known as the slant height because it is slanting, so the difference should be clear. And if you see that here we have a 90-degree rectangle triangle, I mean, if you see, this is the triangle like this and this. So if this is 90 degrees, so I can say that this is the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, right? And this is perpendicular and this is base. So using Pythagoras theorem, I can say that hypotenuse square, which is L square here in this case, is equals to the perpendicular square, which is h square in this case, plus this is also r, so r square, right? So I should know this relation as well, that L square is equal to h square plus r square. Okay, then it says that calculate the volume. Volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 is given, pi is given, r square is given. Instead of h, they have written something like this. So I will tell you how it is correct or why other parts are not correct. Okay, you know that L square is equals to r square plus h square. So if I have to calculate h square, this r will go over there because it is getting added, r square यहाँ पे, and over there it will get subtracted. So h square is L square minus r square. So h will be equal to root of this L square minus r square. So h is equals to L square minus r square is which option in this case? It's A part. So we will see that this is A part. Then let's see the second one. It says there are 4 statements given below. Select the correct value or the symbol from the drop down menu of each statement to make them valid. Let's see. 2 raised to the power 5. 2 raised to the power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is, if you calculate 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 2 is 32. Then 5 raised to the power 2 is 25. So which one is bigger? Of course 32. So that's why 2 raised to the power 5 is bigger. Then if we see 0.55, I'll tell you one trick for this. Okay, 0.5 dash. Trick is, जो number repeat हो रहा है, you put in the numerator. The number which is repeating, put in numerator, and denominator is जितने digits repeat हो रहे हैं, you put that as denominator. If it is 1 digit repeating, put 9 as denominator. If it is 2 digit repeating, put 99 as denominator. For example, 0.52. So it will be 52 upon 99. If it is 0.235, put it as 235 upon 999. Okay, and you should know the full method as well, that how you convert this decimal to fraction. Then this is 5 by 9 using the trick, right? And you should know the full method as well. We have done this in the last videos. You can have a recap. 1 by 8 की power 4 into 64. See, 1 by 8 की power 4 means that this 4 belongs to numerator and denominator both. So 1 की भी power 4 and 8 की भी power 4 into 64. So let's see how do we solve this. 1 की power 4 का मतलब है 1 को 4 times multiply करना, which is 1 only. Then 8 की power 4 means like this. Correct? And this is 64. So don't you think that this, instead of this particular 64, this 8 into 8 I mean, right? 8 into 8 is how much? 64. So instead of 8 into 8 I can write 64. And why did I do that? So that I can cut this. And in the numerator I have 1 only, right? And in denominator what do I have? I have 64. So 1 upon 64 here as well, and in the RHS as well. So I can say this is equal to. Correct? Then for the D part, we have something as exponents and powers, right? So anything raised to the power 0 is 1. Then 3 raised to the power 1 is 3. 3 raised to the power 2, 3 into 3 is 9. 0 की power 1 is 0 only. 0, 0, right? 0 को आप जितनी बारी भी multiply कर लो, 0, 1, 1 and 1. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So we have the answer as 16. So rest 1.1 and 1.2 we have done. Next 2 points and two ones I will do in next video.